How to schedule a text on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Shortcuts application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the bottom panel and tap on Automation in the middle. From here, you can create automations to make shortcuts run automatically. Tap on New Automation as shown. In the search bar, type in time of day and select it. Choose the timing for your scheduled text over here. You can also choose the frequency of this text. For example, daily. After that, tap on Run immediately below. Then, tap on Next. On this page, tap on Send Message. Here, tap on Message and type in the text you want to send. And then, tap on Recipients to add in the names of the people you want to send the text to. After that, tap on Done. As you can see, you have now successfully set up this automation. Following these steps, you can easily schedule a text on iPhone.